Hello, Future Panthers. My name is Khristin, and I am an international admissions counselor here at Georgia State University. Today, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply to Georgia State University using our Slate application. You will use the Slate application for all other student types unless you are a freshman student applying to the Atlanta campus. Freshman students applying to the Atlanta campus will apply through Common App. Please refer to the Common App video in which will be provided in the description below. We will continue on walking through the application process for all other student types. Let's get started. Locating the Slate application from Georgia State's website. It is likely that you will be accessing our Slate application using Georgia State's main website at www.gsu.edu. To access our Slate application from the main Georgia State's page, at the top you will see the Admissions tab. Hover over the Admissions tab. As you hover over the Admissions tab, a drop-down box will populate. On the far right-hand side, you will find International Students. International students refers to students who have completed coursework outside of the United States or need a student visa to study in the United States. Right below, you will find associate's degree and bachelor's degree. Remember that associate's degree is a 2-year program and offered only through Georgia State University Perimeter College. A bachelor's degree is a 4-year undergraduate degree and offered only through our Atlanta campus. Click on the degree and which fits your desire. If you are uncertain of whether you are wanting to pursue a bachelor's or associate's degree, visit our degree and majors website page to learn more about the different programs offered at each location. Once you have clicked on the desired degree, you will be directed to our international admissions page. If you scroll down, you will view a description of admission requirements for international students. Further below, you will also discover deadlines and evaluation requirements. If you have any additional questions regarding deadlines or evaluations, please be sure to refer to one of our other videos. Whenever you are ready to apply, on the same page, scroll until you see 2 blue boxes. One will show Freshmen Apply Here, and right beside it will show All Others Apply Here. Click on All Others Apply Here. Congratulations! You have made it to the Georgia State University Undergraduate Admissions Slate application page. To begin, you will be prompted with a couple of questions. Answer each question accordingly to your academic history. Once you have answered both questions, a third question will generate. Answer accordingly. Creating an account for first-time users. You will then be prompted to the Apply to Georgia State University page. There will be a returning user and first-time users. If you have never applied to Georgia State University previously, click on Create an Account. Whenever creating your account, use accurate information and enter an email address that you have easy access to. The credentials used is what will be used to log into your application portal moving forward. You want to always be able to go back and access your account. Make sure it is something easily to remember and answer all questions, then click Continue. A temporary PIN will be sent to the email address linked to create your account. You will need to log into your personal email address and retrieve your PIN. It may take a couple of minutes before you receive your temporary PIN. Check your inbox and spam mail. Once you have retrieved your temporary PIN, log in using your credentials and temporary PIN. Click Log In. If you have any troubles logging in to complete your application, always feel free to reach out to the International Admissions Department at adminternational@gsu.edu. Once you have retrieved your new temporary PIN, be sure to create a new password. Again, be sure to use something that is easy to remember so you have access to it for future references. Since this is your first time applying, you will need to click on Start New Application. After opening your application, you have finally started your new undergraduate application using Slate Application. You should now be on the undergraduate application instructions and information page. On the left-hand side, you will see a few different links. You will need to complete each portion of the application thoroughly. A few tips whenever completing your undergraduate degree. 1. Always double check your application. Completing the wrong application can delay the process and reviewing of your application. Please reference to our video that covers student type if you are unsure. Tip number 2. Transfer students who have completed 30 transferable credits or more from a previous college are not required to submit ACT or SAT test scores. Transfer students also want to be sure to record all of your academic history, high school, colleges, and institutions ever attended, along with all other types. Important to note for transfer applications, even if you did not complete the degree, you must record it. Failure to identify institutions is cause for denial or dismissal of the program. Tip number 3. As you're approaching the tuition classification section, you will be asked about your residency. Please make sure you are answering all questions to the best of your knowledge. This comes in handy whenever we are declaring your residency type. Before submitting your application, make sure you have corrected any errors showing. All errors will be coded in red and must be completed before you can finalize your application. Also, make sure you have signed your application. Click Finalize Application and Pay whenever you are ready to submit your application. Failure to finalize your application and submit payment will delay the process and review of the application. Once you have successfully submitted your application, there will be a confirmation page showing. Congratulations, you did it! You are on your way to becoming a Panther here at Georgia State University. A couple of tips and reminder. Be sure to submit all required documents by the given deadline. There is also a section to upload any necessary documents pertaining to your admissions requirements. If there are any questions about submitting your documents, please refer to our How to Submit Documents video provided below. That completes our video. I want to take the time to thank you. We hope to see your application soon, and if there are any additional questions, please feel free to contact International Admissions at adminternational@gsu.edu or call us at 404-413-2600. Also, follow us on social media at GSU INTL Admissions to stay up to date with events and activities happening in Georgia State University International Admissions. Stay safe and go Panthers!